What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. Now, you may be wondering if you can really make money with Home Business Academy. So I'm going to show you proof inside, and then I'm going to show you some honest results of people who are having results with the Home Business Academy and the Let's Go app, what I like to call the simple $10 business, which I have set up a complete system for you that you can actually follow and start getting results only if you're willing to do so. So I'm going to show you proof that it does work from my own result, and then I'm going to show you proof within the system how people are making testimonial videos specifically for not only just the Home Business Academy, but specifically for the $10 miracle app, which is Let's Go. And once again, what I like to call a simple $10 business, where you can learn how to visualize, learn how to get your mindset right, learn how to get your goals right in the morning, some of everything that you need to get started in the morning. You know, one thing they said that the most important part of your day is breakfast, you know, feeding yourself breakfast, nutritional food in the morning. But I will tell you this right here. Another important part of starting your morning off right is getting your head on straight, getting your mindset right, getting your goals, your values, being grateful, and things like that as well. And this is what the Let's Go app helps you do. So right now, I'm not going to prolong this video. I'm going to show you proof that it works. And you see the proof right here. I have earned over $61,000, you know, with this company, almost about to be $62,000, $173 in commission. I've also helped to provide 3,193 meals, you know, to starving kids and things like that. But I want you to pay attention to the FTC disclaimer down here as well. You know, keep that in mind. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. Full earning disclosure, visit income.hba.net to earn higher income amounts. Work, skill, and commitment is required on your part. This business has provided over $1.1 million in affiliate commission during 2024. Right now, we're about to top at $7 million. Now, I want to say something about the Home Business Academy. This is one of the most legit affiliate programs that I have been a part of in a long time. And trust me, I have done a lot. Just like you probably jumping around from different things. You're looking for something you can really hook into, a business opportunity, affiliate community, people who really care about your success. And that's what you're going to find with the Home Business Academy. Now, if you're going to come in and just go and jump to something else, the next new thing that comes out, then the Home Business Academy may not be for you. This is for people who are ready to stake their claim in the Home Business Academy and make it work. Look, understand something. It does not matter what affiliate program you join. You still have to do the same thing in order to get results. It does not matter. I don't care if it's even, you know, Warrior Plus products or ClickBank products. You still have to invest either your time or your money get content out there. So it's totally up to you what you decide to do. So you see the commissions right here, and I'm not going to go through this app. I got other videos, you know, I may show one here or here somewhere on this video up there that you can check out. But you see the commissions are real. Now, proof. If you come inside this app, when you join the Let's Go app, when you come in for just $10, and you can earn $8 residual income, okay? Get two and yours is free. Then you're going to be able to come here and start seeing the success that other people are having. Look, we are now making testimonial videos, not only just for the Let's Go app, the $10 miracle app. We are making testimonials for HBA in general, okay? So you see a testimonial video here. There's one here. Keep going here. Matthew is putting together a whole slew of, you know, testimonial videos. He's collecting more that we're able to put on our page, and that's going to go on the page, you know, the sales page. Your testimonial video can be here, not specifically because you earned money, but specifically because you have started using the app to to start your morning off right. Okay, so this is what this app does. Testimonial video here, 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 and even myself. So I wouldn't give a testimonial for something that I do not believe in, something that I do not believe that can actually help someone like you who's looking for legitimate community to join, legitimate owners of the company who's going to do right, companies that are not going to jack up the price even though they give you more value and over promise. These are the type of people that I'm looking to work with, and I have been working with them for a while, since 2020, and it works if you're willing to come in and work and put the blinders on and forget everything else. So it does work. You can earn with the Home Business Academy, but one of the best things you can do is get your mindset together, get your mind right in order to be successful, and not only in the Home Business Academy or with the Let's Go app, but be successful in anything that you do, anything you want to put your mind to. The Let's Go app can help you do that, but it can't help you if you're not willing to jump in and actually do it. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this video right here, let me see, I can play it, but I'm not going to play it. You can get inside of the Let's Go app and watch this video yourself. There are several testimonials. There are more testimonials. People are just having success in here. And we would love to have you as a testimonial as well, because you're going to have to come in and focus. Don't get sidetracked. I'm going to keep saying that because that's what happened to me and a lot of other people. So this is what you're going. This is actually, it works. It's proof that it worked. I've shown you proof. You can come in and see other people's testimonials, or you can wait till we put it all on the website. It does not matter. It's totally up to you. What I would recommend is that you come on in right now for $10, less than McDonald's meal for one person. Come in and get started, okay? Because what's going to happen is, even if you don't promote the app, just using the app can help you with your daily routine. Get your morning start off right. Feed your brain, feed your spirit, okay? So you can start actually being successful in whatever it is. It doesn't matter if it's online, offline, or just your everyday life. I honestly believe that this app can help you in one way or the other. So with that being said, if you decide that you want to join, the Let's Go app, what I'm calling the simple $10 business, I have some bonuses that I'm going to give you, and I'm going to be working on a special training that I'm going to be dropping videos right here on YouTube, showing you what it is that I'm doing in order to get sales inside of the Home Business Academy. So here we go. So one thing I'm going to give you is this page right here. Now you can take this page, you can put any text on here that you want to. That's up to you. This is what I chose to do. I'm going to create another page, with a different title on it and things like that. But you can get this page right here, and I'm going to show you how you can get it shortly here. But you can get this page and start using this page because it's actually in the template section. There may be some different text on it, but you can add this text right here. So this is the opt-in page. I'm collecting name and email because in my autoresponder, I want to personally, recognize their name and let them know that, hey, I'm a real person. They're a real person. I'm not just calling them, hey, friend, what's up? Hi and hey and things like that. So that's what I'm doing by collecting the first name and email. Now, I also understand that when you ask for first name, email, the more information that you ask for from a person, it actually lowers the opt-in rate, but you're getting a better quality of lead by people who give you their real information. And also I have this I'm not a robot box here, which is good, but that not necessarily say people still won't, give you fake information. But people who are sincere, people who really want to change their life, they are going to put in their real information to get the emails. Now, this is the opt-in page. You're going to get this page right here as well, a video that I've already created. It's only about 4 minutes long, not even 4 minutes. But in this video, I do all of the selling and telling. It's done for you. I'm giving it to you. You're actually going to be able to get access to it. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. But when they get through with the videos here, all of these videos here, I'm going to add those videos down to the bottom of this page, a testimonial video. Then I'm going to put an image on here where you can add your image and your contact information to get people to sign up with you. In this video, I'm telling people to actually that they're not going to be signing up with me. They're going to be signing up with someone else. And if you have this page, that someone else is you. So I make sure they know that in the video. This is my personal page, but the team page looks exactly like this, okay? So what happens is I'm going to give you a link to the Simple $10 Business Setup page. And in this page right here, I'm just showing people how to actually set up, these pages, these 2 pages here in here. Or actually what you can do, you don't even have to set up an opt-in page. You don't have to set up this page, okay? This page is done for you. You don't have to set up this page. This page is done for you. This page right here, the only thing you're going to do is add your Let's Go or HBA affiliate ID, everything from here, okay? And whatever your number is in this box is going to replicate this page for you. Or you can put in your name if you change that inside of the system and put it in this box right here. It's going to replicate that page for you. So if I just type in, my name as an example, and then I click replicate the page, boom, this is your page. Now you can take this page, if you see the link up here, that page now has your name up there. And if I go back, okay, and I do it, if I take this right here or this right here, the question mark and everything, copy it and paste that in there, okay, it's whatever your number is right here is going to do the same thing. This is going to be coded to you. So you can put that there and it's going to work for you. So that's how that works. It's going to replicate the page for you. So if I come back and put my name back in it one more time, when you click this button, boom, now the page is yours. Your name is going to be up here or your affiliate ID. And when you hover over this button, your name should be down in the left-hand corner or your ID. So I'm giving you this page as well, doing all of the selling and telling for you, okay? So when you join me, not only are you going to get this page, and this page, you get this page if you get the funnel builder, okay? But you get this page by simply replicating, but you're also going to get emails that sell that were given to me by my sponsor, Paul, over 500 customers in a week. And what these emails are specifically for the Let's Go app. You can take these emails, you can put them in ChatGPT or whatever, AI that you're using and make them your own, or you can rewrite them as your own. I wouldn't recommend that you use them because these were used when they first came out. But you can take them and get inspiration from to write your own email. So you're going to get that. It's over 83 pages long, okay? Not only that, I'm giving you what I call a $10 profit kickstart playbook, step-by-step guide to building residual income with the Let's Go app and the Home Business Academy. Triple residual income system is actually called the Simple $10 Business. I may have to change that, but this is for team use only. Do not share, okay? And all of this right here is given to you, okay? Everything you need step-by-step with emails in here as well. It's even going to do Facebook posts for you, things that you can use for your Facebook posts and YouTube videos as well. And then down here at the bottom, if I scroll down quickly, I got what is called the $10 profit kickstart master prompt, team use only. You can take this prompt, paste it in there. It's going to give you all the information that you need using persuasion copy by the top copywriters, scripts that I'm, from books that I have read and things like that. And so you have to put your own flavor in here. And this, it works for you. So that's totally up to you. You come inside of the system. How do you get those pages? When you come inside of the system, you simply come over here. You're going to click, scroll down, add new step, come to page. That's if you want the opt-in page that was here in this page, okay? So you're going to come here and you're going to scroll down to where you see all of these templates are here. You're going to have to do some tweaking, okay? You see the copy here and these pages here. You're going to have to do some tweaking and make sure that you check out your smartphone pages as well. And so some other templates in here that you can get access to as well that I have created. But whatever you do, make sure you come down here, check on tablet, make sure everything looks good. Check on phone, make sure everything looks good, and make sure that your affiliate links and all of that stuff is in the right spot. So whenever you do the replicated page, it should set up your phone page and tablet page as well. So another thing you have to do is pop in your code here and you're good to go. But if you should decide you're going to get the entire funnel, you want to make sure that everything, all your links and stuff are good here, here, and here. So make sure of that. Now, how are you going to promote, the Let's Go app, the Simple $10 business, to get results? One of the things I do is YouTube. You do YouTube videos and YouTube shorts. That's another thing that I do as well. Also, Facebook. You see a posting right here. Use some inspirational posts, some other posts, getting comments on that. Some inspirational posts, just me walking outside. I took a picture, when I saw that, when I walked outside, it was beautiful. So I took a picture and I just put imagine, so everything put, on your Facebook profile. Don't just post about your business all the time. Post some lifestyle, post some quotes, post some motivation, some inspiration. Tell your story. You don't have to get too deep, but that's how it works. So what I'm going to do inside of this sheet right here is going to give you posts and things like that, but you can go deep as you want with this to make it give you more information. Okay, so make it work for you. So does the Home Business Academy work? Yes, it works, but you have to put it to work for you. Okay, and you have to be willing to do what you have to do in order to make it work. Jumping around from one thing to the other will not make it work for you. So with that being said, click the link in the description. Get started today. I will get an email. I will be contacting you, giving you bonuses, because there's some other bonuses that you get as well. So with that being said, have a great night tonight and a good day tomorrow. God bless and peace.